Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to make a eggless recipe because I got a lot of requests to do that. So today we are going to make a chocolate biscuit pudding. So let's get into it. So to begin making the pudding, we have to make a custard base first. For that we will need these ingredients, and I'm going to start with the milk. We have 2 cups of whole milk here, and I'm going to first take a little bit of the 2 cups and put it in the corn flour and just mix it together. So now the corn flour is all mixed up. We used a fork to mix it up here. We do this ताकि lumps na bane, so that in the custard there are no lumps later. Now we're going to begin the custard. For that we'll put all the 4 ingredients in here. Sugar, cocoa powder, some coffee and chocolate chips. And we're going to put all the remaining milk in here. Now I'm going to turn the gas on and we're going to cook it. Now the heat doesn't have to be too high. ज़्यादा high heat होगी so the chocolate can burn. तो low heat पे cook करेंगे. Okay, so my chocolate chips have melted, and now I'm going to put my corn flour mixture into the custard mixture. Just mix it all together well, and then just stir it all together. Then just whisk it in. So now that I've added my corn flour mixture, we are just going to whisk it thoroughly ताकि lumps ना बने custard में, and we are just going to cook it till it starts to get thick. So as you can see, it's starting to get viscous and thick. तो अब मैंने heat को lower कर दिया है because if you keep cooking it on high heat, it may burn. So as you can see, the custard is now very thick. It is coating the sides of my pan. So I have turned the heat off, and we are just going to let it cool. Okay, now that my custard is cooled, we are going to start layering. For that, I will have to take 1 cup of water and 1 tablespoon of coffee powder, and I'm just going to whisk it all together. And once I've mixed this, I'm going to start dipping the biscuits in this coffee mixture. Okay, so now my coffee decoction is made. I'm just going to start dipping the biscuits, and the first layer is going to be the biscuits. So we're going to dip the biscuit in here. Let it be there for around 6-7 seconds, and then we're just going to take it out and start layering. Okay, now that my first layer is done, the base biscuit layer, I'm going to take the custard and I'm going to pour it on top. We just want a thin layer, not a very thick layer. We need it for the other layers as well. I'm just going to take a spatula and just gently flatten it on top. Now I'm going to go in with the second layer of biscuits. Okay, now my second layer is also done. I'm just going to pour the remaining custard on top of this layer. So I'm done with the layering now, and we are just going to put it in the refrigerator for around 4 to 6 hours, and after it's cooled we are going to scoop it out and taste it. As you can see, it's been 4 hours and the custard is now set. So I've taken it out of the fridge, and now I'm going to give it a final dusting of powdered sugar, and then we'll be finished. So I put it in this sieve, and I just move the sieve with my hand stiff. Done with the dusting now. You can use cocoa powder or coffee powder or any nuts as the topping. I have decided to use powdered sugar. All that's left to do is to cut it and enjoy.